Welcome to Taksim Square. This is a 360 video of Istanbul. We're going to go down the main street where all the shopping happens and experience Istanbul in January 2024. Subscribe to the channel. This is a 360 video too, so you can turn around the camera, look around if you want. So here we are at the Taksim Square. Not the Taxi Square, but the Taksim. Not to make any jokes. These 2 days we've had in Istanbul has been amazing. Wow, it's wonderful. It's inspiring, and you feel like Budapest is just a very small town. Wow, it's very nice here. Taksim Square. Here you have also small vendors that sells simitçi. I've never seen so many stray dogs as here in Istanbul. There's so many. Look at that Burger King. Buffet. They have the same word for buffet as in Hungarian also. It's very crowded. Remember, it's a 360 video, so you can look around. Some say that in Istanbul there is between 15 million, and with also tourists and people who don't really register here, 15 million till 30 million inhabitants. It is crazy. It's a mega city, but it's also very European, Asian, and also a lot of places very Middle Eastern in terms of buildings and areas. Wow. Here you have all the big brands like McDonald's. I mean, if you look here, you can't really see the end. It's just keeps going. Tons of people. I would say maybe a few million people cross this every day. And if we just stop here and you look to the right, there are also streets going right and left, narrow, up and down. It's, I mean, I've never seen anything like it. We also have a guy singing, wanting money. All this food, I get so hungry. Istanbul is really worth visiting if you're a good walker. I mean, if you are having trouble walking for a long time, it's not the best. By the way, if you look beside me, Aisha's here too. If you're a foodie like me, you would love this baklava. This looks very good, and you have the chef in there. Prices are decent, and ice cream was very expensive because I made a little show. It was like €7. Not really, but €6 for an ice cream. Who would pay that? Here we have the Taksim tram number 2. Trying to get its way past all the people. The Turkish language is very interesting. Could be interesting to learn. Heard it's difficult. Simit Sarai. And good sandwiches there. Or coffee. Welcome to Istanbul from the top. Isn't this wonderful? You have everything here. You have Fatih over there. You have the mountains out there. It's beautiful. You have this area, Karakoy, sorry. And you have the Asian part over here. Beautiful skyscrapers over there. This is monumental. The best view I've ever had.